almost nearly guarantee that if you're watching this video, you have like leftover rice in your fridge. And what other way to eat leftover rice than to have it with some good old spinach? Watch me whip up a beautiful plant-based vegan spinach concoction that went perfectly with this leftover pumpkin rice that I had in my fridge for a few days. Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. So this is like 3 types of peppers, and I cut them in half and drizzled them with olive oil. I'm going to bake them for like an hour in total at like 350 degrees Celsius. Should I say Celsius? Yes, you get the idea. Now we have your a tomato, garlic. We also have carrot, purple onion, and green onions, and Bora. Bora is a long stringy version of like green peas or string peas, and its texture is kind of rough. Okay, so then I added like Meriri pepper. It's like a Guyanese pepper. I just put 1. I like my food spicy, you don't have to do that. And I went ahead and sliced the purple onions. I have the garlic, which I grinded, and the green onions, I chopped those. I diced the tomato, shredded or chopped the carrots into long strips, and of course I did the Bora in like 1/2 inch like slices. So the pepper is ready. They were kind of soggy, I guess because I did them when they were hot, but they're gonna get soggy anyway when you saute them. Okay, so now this is avocado oil. I'm just going to drizzle some in my pan, and I'm going to add the Bora first. Usually you add the seasonings first, but I want to add the Bora first because it's a toughish kind of vegetable and you want to soften it up. I just did that for like 2 minutes. Now I add the green onions, purple onions, garlic, pepper, and tomato. And I'm going to saute them up, or saute them with the Bora just for like a minute or so. I add my carrots after, and I give it like a 30-second stir. And now this is frozen spinach. I don't let it thaw because you don't want it soggy at all, so it's better to put it in frozen. I'm actually heaping like the carrots and seasonings and stuff on top of it so it could melt faster. And I add my salt to taste and the sweet pepper and stir. I actually didn't show the part where I covered the spinach down so that it could melt, and this is what it looks like. And this is my leftover pumpkin rice for about a week. It was in the fridge doing nothing, so I just decided to whip this up. Tasted really good. Yum. If you're new to my channel, I love plant-based foods, and I love sharing the plant-based ideas or recipes that I would whip up from time to time. So check out my playlist on all the current plant-based dishes or vegan dishes that I've done here on my YouTube page, and don't leave without hitting my subscribe button. I'm also on Instagram. I like to post plant-based / vegan food on my IG page. So you can follow me at any girl Joe. Anyway, that's all for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.